Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today's video is day 9 of 12 Days of Christmas Ornaments. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. I have, both of these are from the Dollar Tree. I have a silver satin ornament and I have the gold flower rhinestones, and I have some silver bling, and I'm not sure if I'm going to use this, but it's all this stuff is from the Dollar Tree, and what I want to do is just put a little gold on the silver because I love that Christmas song, Silver and Gold. So I always have to do one ornament every year with silver and gold. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to follow, I don't know if you can see the line that comes from the mold that these are made from, but I'm just going to follow that all the way around. This does have a spot on it where the paint has come off. I will be covering that up with this or this, haven't decided quite yet, but yeah, and this, I know as a fact that this adhesive is so strong that I'm not going to need anything else. Now for the bling wrap, if I decide to use it, I'll be using hot glue. Okay, I've got the first thing on, and now I'm going to put some down here, and we'll see if I have room to put any more in between, or if I'm just going to use bling wrap. Okay, I've got it on all four sides. I definitely think that there is enough room to put some in between. And I'm going to bring this down so that it will fit in between the two rows. And I'm going to repeat this on all the other spaces. Okay, I've got it in between each of the spaces, and I'm not going to do anything more to this. I just absolutely love the way this looks. And I think I'm going to try it in another color. I think I'm going to try pink. I've got a pink satin ball, also from the Dollar Tree, and I've got the pink rhinestones with the I think they're white pearls. There's such a reflection. It's kind of hard to tell. But that's going on. So we're going to see how that looks. Because I love this. Oh, silver and gold. And I don't know if you can tell, but I'm cutting these rhinestones so that this remains rounded. Because if I didn't, I might have this. And I absolutely love the way this has turned out. And to be honest with you, I think I'm on my way down to the Dollar Tree to see if they have any other colors. I mean, I know they have turquoise. I know they have gold. I think they might have silver, I'm not sure. But I'm definitely going to go down and get more because I just love the way these look. Well, there they are. They're done. And I'm telling you, I just absolutely love the way these turned out. And I hope you like them too. So, if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. And happy creating, everyone.